Have you ever tasted a dish that's healthy and delightful? The Lankan red rice salad bowl brings flavor and nutrition. In this video, we will explore how to make this low GI salad bowl. Lankan red rice is not just any rice. It's rich in nutrients and has a low glycemic index. This means it releases energy slowly, keeping you full longer. Let's dive into how to create this vibrant salad bowl step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need Lankan red rice, mixed vegetables, and herbs. For a protein boost, add chickpeas or grilled chicken. Let's start by cooking the red rice. Rinse the rice under cold water. This removes any excess starch. Then, boil it in a pot with double the water. Simmer until tender, about 30 minutes. While the rice cooks, chop your vegetables. Use colorful bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots. The more colors, the better. This adds not only flavor but also essential vitamins. Next, prepare the dressing. Combine olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This simple dressing enhances the flavors beautifully. Now, let's assemble our salad bowl. Once the rice is cooked, let it cool. In a large bowl, mix the rice, chopped vegetables, and your choice of protein. Drizzle the dressing over and toss gently. For added crunch, consider sprinkling roasted nuts or seeds on top. This gives texture and additional healthy fats. Imagine enjoying this salad bowl as a refreshing lunch or dinner. It's easy to make and packed with nutrients. Plus, it works well with various diets. To recap, you've learned how to make a tasty Lankan red rice salad bowl. You prepared the rice, chopped vibrant vegetables, and made a quick dressing. Now, you have a colorful, nutritious meal ready to enjoy. Try making this salad bowl at home today. Share your results in the comments and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes.